Okay guys, so tonight I'm going to show you focus management in React. I don't see a lot of tutorials and other things covering that, so I thought I would do a quick video. So I'm going to go over to my VS Code.
App.js focus management app.js dash.
I just have a blank app. I just use create React app for this little demo. So I'm going to make a form with two fields and a submit button. So I'm going to make a label. Okay, HTML4 first name.
Greater, less. Suggest blank. Blank. First name 2 of 2. App.js function app left paren. Return less div class name equals quote app quote greater less lab html for equals quote r return d app quote greater less l b space e l space h l html for equals html for function app left paren. Return less div class name equals quote app quote greater less label html for equals quote first name quote greater first name less slash lab greater less slash div greater semi div slash lab greater less div greater I less greater b greater app less div less label html for line feed greater line feed.
I finally got the label. Now I'm with the text field.
App greater slash quote less label html less input type equals quote text quote name equals quote first name quote id equals quote first name quote slash greater less label less less label less input type name quote slash greater selected less slash div less
and paste them down
blank
below and just change
less label html for equals quote first name less label html for equal o r e quote f I r s r s l r s r t s t e quote greater first f first selected last name less less input type equals quote text quote name equals quote first name in type text quote name equal first name quote f I r quote id equal quote f I r f r r quote s last name slash greater less slash greater less slash greater less less slash div greater less input type equals quote text quote name showing 1 problems tree view level 2 warning generated by ESLint : logo is defined but never main landmark import logo line feed blank export def blank right brace right paren less slash div greater less blank.
And I'm just going to make a submit button even though it's not going to do anything. Type equals submit
suggest lit app.js t less b t t o greater line feed. No problems have been.
Okay,
Main landmark.
Now if I go over to my browser window,
OBS. React App Personal Microsoft Edge row 1 column 3. React App Personal Mic. First name edit blank. Last name edit blank. Tab bar tab control. Tab actions menu button collapsed. React App document. Last name edit blank. Edit submit. Edit submit.
why is it saying edit submit there?
App.js.
What did I do wrong here?
App. Less input type equals quote text quote. Less slash div greater. Less fin type equals quote submit quote.
Oh,
Less. B. T.
so that's a U.
Button.
There we go.
React App Personal Microsoft Edge row 1 column. React App Personal Microsoft Edge window. React App document. Edit submit. Edit submit.
Refresh.
Loading page. Loading complete. React App document. Blank. Tab bar tab control. React App document. Button X. Compiled with problems. Button X. Blank. Blank. Error in ./src/app.js. Blank. Module build failed. From ./node module /babel loader /lib/index.js. Syntax error. C. Dev focus management src app.js. Expected corresponding JSX closing tag for. Less button greater.
Okay, what did I...
App.js focus management Visual Studio Code row 1 column 2 of 5. Type equal. Submit less. Slash. B. T. U. React App Personal Microsoft Edge row 1. React App. Loading page. Loading complete. React App document. Blank. No next form field. No previous form field. First name edit. Last name edit. Submit button.
There we go. Okay. Now I have my 3 forms, but as you can see, when I refresh the page, it didn't set focus to any of those fields. It just sort of put me in no man's land. So I'm going to show you how to set focus to a field on page load in React. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to use something called a ref. And a ref is just a shorthand for reference to a DOM node. Okay, so I need to go over to my
App.js focus management Visual Studio. App.js focus management visuals.
And I need
less label HTML for equals blank.
I'm going to set focus to the first name.
Less input type equals quote text quote name equals quote first name quote ID.
So I'm going to
A slash space quote space.
So on the DOM node you want to have a ref at, you would say ref equals, and then the JSX expression ref first name, I'm going to call it
E. Right brace. Space.
Alright.
Right brace.
Now it's going to yell at me because it's going to say there's no ref first name.
Less input type.
Defined. So
function app left paren. Return left paren. R.
in
Blank.
the app function I'm going to say const ref first name equals.
App.js editor has autocomplete multi-line const ref first name equals.
U ref. No. So now we have
made 2 formatting edits on line 4.
Let me see if it's going to yell at me anymore.
Showing 1, problems tree view. Error generated by slint : use ref is not defined.
Oh, we need to import use ref. Okay.
Main import quote dot slash app dot css quote semi blank. Function app left blank.
Import React use ref.
F.
From React.
Backslash. Semi.
Okay.
Import quote dot slash app. Import React. Left brace use ref right brace from quote React quote semi. Function app left paren.
See if it's okay.
No problems have been detected.
Okay. Now
Main landmark.
we need to use a use effect hook in React to set the focus to that. So use first name ref is just going to be a reference to the DOM. First name ref dot current is going to be a reference to the DOM object. There will be a reference to that text field.
Const ref. Return left.
So I'm
less
going
di.
to make
Return left paren. R.
a
Blank.
use effect
Left brace. Right brace. Right paren. Right brace. Use effect left paren. Right paren. Equals greater left brace right paren. Use effect left paren. Blank. Blank.
Alright. So what we need to do, all we need to do is say first name ref dot current dot focus.
Made one formatting edit on line 6. Blank. Right brace right paren. Right brace. Right paren.
And in my dependency array, I'm just going to make it empty because I just want it to run on the first time the component is mounted. So
Line feed. Right paren.
that should be
Line
fine.
feed.
And then put a semicolon there.
Semi. Right paren. Right bracket.
Let me check for errors.
Showing 2. Problems tree view.
Oh.
Error generated by ESLint : use effect is not defined. At line 5 and character
I need to
3.
import use effect. Okay.
Error generated by ESLint : first name ref is not defined. At line 6 and
it is.
character 5.
Alright. So let me
Main landmark. App.js editor has auto. Use effect left paren. First name ref.current.focus left paren. Right paren. Use effect left paren. Right paren. Equals greater left brace. Function app left paren. Function app left. Import quote dot slash app.c. Import React. Left brace use ref right brace from. Left brace. U.
use effect.
Import React. Const ref first. Use effect. Const ref first name equals use ref left paren. C. Ref first name e. F. I. S. T. N. A. N. E. Space.
Okay, so that looks right.
Use effect left paren, right paren, equals greater left brace. First name ref.current.focus left.
Oh,
F.
I had it
First name ref.
as ref first name, and then I used first name ref. So let me use ref first name.
E. Dot.
Alright, now if I check for problems.
No problems have been detected.
Yeah, okay. So now if I go over to my browser
Main landmark.
window,
React App Personal Microsoft Edge row 1 column 2. React App Personal Microsoft Edge window. React App document. First name edit blank.
it puts me right on the first name field. If I go to the last name field,
Last name edit blank. Submit button.
and I refresh, just for the heck of it,
App.js-focus-management-Visual Studio Code. App.js-
oh, I think I closed the window.
React App Personal Microsoft Edge row 1 column 2 of 5. React App Personal Microsoft Edge window. React App document. Button submit.
Refresh.
Loading page. Loading complete. First name edit blank.
Yeah, it put me right in the first name field. So in short, to set focus to a DOM node, you just have to define a ref on it, and then define that ref in your app, or whatever your component is, and then use the factor to take that focus to that DOM node whenever your component is mounted. So I hope this helps somebody. This is my first time using a different video setup, so let me know if you can't see the screen. I guess if you can't see the screen, it's not going to be helpful to you really. Or if you can't see me, you don't want to see me. So yeah, if you can't see the screen, then I'll probably redo the video. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll do another demo another time.
App.j OBS 27.2.4 OBS 27.2.4 64-bit Windows Profile Untitled Scenes Untitled Window Controls Window. Stop recording.